Hello mga katuka, good afternoon. So today we're going to do a 1 week challenge. Eating without rice. You know na, choose more on vegetables. Is my grammar right? Ba? So today, I'm going to start with this. Ayan, corned beef with egg, cabbage, papaya with beans, onion, and carrots. Ay, yeah. Ba? Grammar okay? Guys, what are you waiting for? Let's eat.